If you want to activate a hosting plan on Bluehost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can choose the right plan, complete checkout, and get your hosting account activated without confusion. This is a great tutorial if you're starting a new website, launching a blog, or just need a simple hosting setup with Bluehost. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the official Bluehost website and look for the Get Started button. This is the main entry point for choosing a hosting plan. Once you click it, Bluehost will show you the different hosting tiers available. For most beginners, the basic or starter plan is usually the easiest place to begin, especially if you only need one website to get started. If you're planning to host multiple sites or expect more traffic, you can compare the higher plans too. Take your time here and pick the hosting tier that fits your needs best. Don't just choose the first option you see. Think about how many websites you want to build, how much storage you may need, and whether you want room to grow later. Bluehost makes it pretty simple to compare plans, so this is the best time to choose the one that makes the most sense for your budget and your goals. Next, you'll need to choose your billing cycle. Bluehost usually gives you several options, and the longer billing terms can sometimes lower the monthly cost. If you're just testing things out, a shorter term may feel safer, but if you already know you want to stick with the platform, a longer plan can be a better value overall. Make sure you review the pricing carefully before moving forward. After that, Bluehost will ask you about your domain name. If you already know the domain you want, you can enter it during setup. If you're still deciding, look for the option that says Choose Domain Later. That's a great choice if you haven't picked a final name yet or you want to register a domain somewhere else first. This step is important because your domain and hosting are closely connected, but you don't have to rush it if you're not ready. Once that's done, Bluehost may show you some optional add-ons. These can include extra security, backups, or other features. Before you continue, carefully review each one and uncheck anything you don't actually need. This can help you save money and keep your plan simple. A lot of people accidentally pay for extras they never use, so it's always a good idea to slow down and double-check this part. Now you'll move to the billing section. Here, enter your billing address and your credit card information exactly as requested. Make sure everything is accurate so your payment goes through without any issues. When you're finished, click Submit Payment. This is the step that activates your hosting plan on Bluehost and completes the purchase. After the payment is processed, Bluehost should confirm that your plan is active. From there, you can start setting up your website, connecting your domain, and exploring your hosting dashboard. If you chose to register a domain later, you can always come back and connect it afterward. The most important part is that your hosting account is now activated and ready to use. So that's how to activate a hosting plan on Bluehost from start to finish. It's really just a matter of choosing your plan, selecting your billing cycle, deciding on your domain, reviewing add-ons, and submitting your payment. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.